Hey guys, it's Lexy. Welcome back to another video. In today's video, we are going to be trying the lip plumper again. I asked you guys in my live stream. If you haven't watched that live stream, I will link it up here in the card and also in the description. You guys said you wanted to see me try this for 30 days. That is going to be today's video. Today is 3:40 on Tuesday, May 1st. We're gonna try this for 30 days and see if it works. If you haven't watched the first video that I did with this, go watch that. It'll be linked in the card right now, also in the description. And if you guys like this video and you want to see more, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. The button is big, it's red, and it's free. Who doesn't like free things? And also click that bell that pops up next to it to actually be notified when I post a new video, because YouTube is dumb and sometimes doesn't do that. You're supposed to apply this twice a day. This is going to be time number 1. So this is it, in case you don't know. I can't open it, it's really hard. This thing really hurts, you guys. Oh, I did it. Great. Last time, a lot of product came out of it. Oh, I see a little bit. Oh, that's not a little, that's a lot. What the heck? Ow. Now I can't close it. It's already starting to burn. I tried to put a very even coating. It is now 7:36 p.m. and we are going to put on the second round of the lip plumper. It did stop hurting after a while of it being on. I put a little bit of chapstick on. Let me know if you think my lips look bigger. Hey guys, so it is May 2nd. That means it's day 2. I'm also live streaming. My phone's right here. It's 3:32 p.m. and then it's really hard to close. I got it on the first try. There we are. It is later. It's 5:43 and I changed into my pajamas and we are going to put this on for the second time today. The more I use this, the less it burns. I thought it would burn a lot, but it hasn't. Hey guys, so it is around 8 o'clock on Thursday, May 3rd. Oh my god, that was a lot. Application number 1 is done. Hey guys, so it's a little bit later now. My dog is here. The one thing I noticed, if you guys have watched the very first video I did with this product, let me know. It'll be in the description. I talked about how much it burned. I've done it twice for the last 3 days and I don't even really feel it anymore. I just don't feel the burn anymore. It's really weird. Like it tingles a little bit, but it's not like burning. Hey guys, so it is 4:06 on Friday, May 4th. I was looking in the mirror earlier. I was like, I think my top lip is slightly bigger than my bottom lip. Now I'm looking in the camera and it doesn't look any different. Also, yeah, I'm in my pajamas. Haven't gotten dressed today. Hey guys, it is 7:45 on Friday, May 4th. For the second time, the lip plumper. I'm still in my pajamas. Haven't left the house except to walk the dog. Alright, so we're gonna put on the lip plumper right now. Oh my god, I just ripped off the sticker thing. Whatever. And there it is for the time number 1 today. Hey guys, so it is time for the second application of the night. It is 7:30 now. I was downstairs and there's this Hallmark movie on called Understanding Mr. Darcy, and it's literally Pride and Prejudice set in 2018 with puppies. Cavalier dogs. It is the cutest thing of life and I am living for it. Literally, I am all here for it. I really loved Pride and Prejudice when I was in high school. It was like one of the few books that I read that I actually enjoyed and didn't absolutely hate. Hey guys, it is 7:04 on Sunday, May 6th. I also went to CVS today and they said they don't have the Clean and Clear gel moisturizer. They even tweeted Clean and Clear and they said they still sell it, but apparently my CVS does not have it. I feel like this area of my lip is getting stiffer. I don't know why. Hey guys, it's now 10:30 p.m. We're gonna apply the lip plumper for the second time. I also went to CVS and I got some makeup. I got some stuff, so look out for a future haul on my channel. If it's up already, I'll link it in the description. Hey guys, it is 8 o'clock on Monday, May 7th, and we are going to put on the lip plumper. This feels almost like a lip gloss, but it stings a little. So I think that's been about a week. Do my lips look different from the first time? Are these your pants? Are they your pants now? Literally, he has his paw on it. Oh my god. Oh my gosh, so cute. Second lip plumper of the day. Oh hi, he moved. Hey guys, it is 2:30 on Tuesday, May 8th, and we are going to do the lip plumper thing, application number 1. I think my lips have gotten pinker in color since I've started using this. Hey guys, so it's 6:30 now. I'm getting ready to go walk my dog, but I thought we would do the second application of the lip plumper. Also, you guys should see this in a haul soon. If not already, it'll be linked in the description. Hey guys, it is 2:10 p.m. on Wednesday, May 9th, and we are going to put on the lip plumper for the first time today. There we go. Is it gonna focus on my face? All right, I think that's focused. It's about a week and a half into the 30 days. Let me know if you see any difference in my lips in the comments. Hey guys, so it is 11:20 on Wednesday, May 9th, and I was making musicallys, so I kind of forgot to apply the lip plumper a second time. So if you're not following me yet, my username is in the description. Go do it, it's really fun on there. Hey guys, it is 12:16 on Thursday, May 10th. I got out of class a little early today, so that's why I'm home a little bit earlier. We're gonna put the lip plumper on for the first time, and it's on the floor. Cool. Right. Love it. Hey guys, it is 7:09 p.m. right now, and we're going to put on the second application. And I'm in my pajamas. I love being in pajamas. Hey guys, it is Friday, May 11th, and it is 2:44 p.m. and we are going to put on the lip plumper for the first time today. And you're now looking at a recently licensed permit holder. Yes! If you want to see the vlog where I talk about it, I will link it in the description and also in the card. And my vlog channel will just always be linked in the description. So if you haven't subscribed to that channel, go subscribe. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel, subscribe to this channel and click the bell so you can actually be notified. And click the bell so you can actually be notified, because YouTube is dumb, and even if you're subscribed, you may not get notified. So subscribe and click the bell. I don't know if I've noticed much difference in my lips. I don't know if I've seen any kind of difference in my lips being bigger or not. Let me know in the comments if you have noticed a difference. It is now 3:47 on Friday, May 11th, and we are going to apply the lip plumper for the second time today. I think my lips look softer and more hydrated. I don't know. I can't really tell if they're bigger though. Let me know in the comments. Oh, look at this. Asian problems. Every time I smile or blink my eyes, the mascara just transfers. It's so annoying. This happens with every single mascara, so if you know of a mascara that doesn't do this, let me know in the comments. Hey guys, it is 6:36 on Saturday, May 12th, and we are going to put on the lip plumper for the first time today. I also have pizza in the oven for dinner, and I'm so excited, and tomorrow is Mother's Day. I have my mom's presents in this bag, so if you guys want to see what I got her, the vlog will be up on my vlog channel. It'll be linked in the description. Make sure you're subscribed to the vlog channel, and also click the notification bell so you can actually be notified when a video goes live. Do that on this channel too. I don't know, I can't wink. Hey guys, it is 6 p.m. on Sunday, May 13th, and we're going to put the lip plumper on. If you guys want to know what this is and what I did today, because it's Mother's Day, then go check out the vlog channel. It'll be linked in the description. Hey guys, it is 7:38 on Monday, May 14th. I have to apply the lip plumper. It's really hard to remember to do it. I don't know why. It's so much harder to remember than the Halo Beauty was. This concludes week 2. Hey guys, so it is now 7:56 and we're just going to apply it again. It's already been 5 minutes, it's been like 20. But before I forget, because I've forgotten to film myself, I can still feel it on my lips. It's been 2 weeks. Let me know if you see a difference in my lips from the first week, the first clip in the video, to now. I genuinely cannot tell. I have no idea if it's made any kind of difference. Hey guys, what's up? It is 8:13 on Tuesday, May 15th, and we're going to apply the lip plumper for today. Hey guys, so it is now 9:14 p.m. and I just got changed. We're gonna put the lip plumper on for the second time. Ah, I dropped it. I wonder if this is gonna last 30 days. I don't know how much is in here. Hey guys, so it is Wednesday, May 16th, and it is 2:44 p.m. We're going to take the lip plumper and put it on. Okay, I don't know why I said take the lip plumper. That sounded really weird. Probably because I said that for Halo Beauty every day. So it is now 5:05 p.m. right now. We're going to put the lip plumper on again for the second time. Oh, that was a lot of product. Okay, can you focus on me, please? Hey guys, what's up? It is 7:15 on Thursday, May 17th, and we're going to apply the lip plumper. And I also filmed another main channel video today, which you guys should already have seen. And if you haven't, go check it out. It'll be linked in the description and also in a card. Maybe if I have enough left. They only let you do 5. I wish they would let you do more, but okay, whatever. There's like a hair stuck in my lip. Also, I thought I would give you guys a little update on the Halo Beauty thing. It's been a little over 2 weeks. My nails are still growing really fast, and I haven't taken any more Halo Beauty other than the one I took last month. What the heck? It only worked on my nails, but everything else didn't work. I don't know why. I don't think it's working. Hey guys, it is now 7:40 p.m. and we are going to put the lip plumper on for the second time. Hey guys, it is 1:34 p.m. on Friday, May 18th, and we're going to put the lip plumper thing on for today. I tried the Honey Pop DIY face mask thing yesterday. You should have already seen that video, and if you haven't, it'll be linked in the description. I think my acne is like really gone down. I'm actually really shocked, so go watch that video. It's linked in the description. Why can't I talk? Hey guys, so it is now 3:30. We're gonna put the lip plumper on again. Hey guys, it is 6 o'clock on Saturday, May 19th, and we're gonna put on the lip plumper for the first time today. Let me know in the comments if you think Yanny or Laurel, because it's Yanny. Let me know in the comments. I just dropped the lip plumper. I also uploaded a new video today. If you haven't seen it, it'll be linked in the description and in the card, if it'll let me. I don't know how many things I'm linking in the card. They should just let me link as much as I want. It's my video. Okay, I was gonna put the cap back on wrong. Hey guys, it's now 6:22 p.m. and we're gonna put the lip plumper on again. Wow, there's a lot of product. This one's gonna burn probably. Hey guys, what's up? It's 9:45 on Sunday, May 20th. Today we are going to the Heritage Museum. I'll explain more in the vlog, so go watch that. It'll be linked in the description. We're gonna put on the lip plumper, and then when I get home, we'll do it again. Alright guys, it is 6:36 and I just got home, and if you want to know what I did today, go watch the vlog. The vlog will be up by the time you see this video. Yeah, we're gonna put on the lip plumper for the second time. It was so cold today. So far throughout this little challenge thing, I have not noticed any difference in the plumpness of my lips. I'm going to say it maybe doesn't work, and if it does, it's like a really slight difference that I can't even tell. Maybe you guys can tell, I don't know. Let me know in the comments if you can tell if my lips are any bigger, but I'm looking in the viewfinder right now and it does not look bigger at all. It's May 20th right now. We have about 10 days left. I'm calling it right now and saying that it doesn't work. I don't know if 10 days will make a difference, but we'll see. Hey guys, it is 4:34 on Monday, May 21st. I'm gonna put on the lip plumper. Hey guys, it is 6 o'clock, 5:58, 6 o'clock, whatever. We're gonna put on the lip plumper again. And I'm wearing pajama pants. Pajama pants are life. Hey guys, it is 7:49 on Wednesday, May 23rd. I actually fell asleep yesterday and forgot to put on the lip plumper. So today we are going to do it 4 times to make up for it. And we're also going up to the 31st, so it's an entire month of me trying the lip plumper. I think my lips can handle it. Application number 1, here we go. Application number 2. Application number 3. Hey Siri, set a timer for 5 minutes.
Your timer is set for 5 minutes.
Application number 4. I have never applied this so many times in one day. On the upside, my lips are looking very glossy and nice. Hey guys, it is 6:32 p.m. on Thursday, May 24th, and we're going to apply the lip plumper for the first time today. Hey guys, it is now 6:38 p.m. and we're going to put on the lip plumper for the second time today. Hello, it's me. Such an old joke, but whatever. It is 4:53 on Friday, May 25th, and we have to put on the lip plumper for today. Hey guys, so it's 5:12 now. We're gonna put it on for the second time today. I'm also wearing pajama pants, as always. Hey guys, it is 3:16 p.m. on Saturday, May 26th. Got a couple more days for the lip plumper and then we'll be done and I can give you guys my final thoughts on it. Application number 2. I have to get it. Oh my god. My hair is always sticking to anything that's on my lips and it's really annoying. Long hair struggles. Hey guys, it's me. It is 1:11 on Sunday, May 27th, so happy Sunday. I just took the dog out and we're gonna put on the lip plumper for today. Hey guys, so it's now 1:21. We're gonna put the lip plumper on again. Ah! Oh my god, I almost dropped it. That would have been so bad. Hey guys, what's up? It is 3:21 on Monday, May 28th, and we're gonna do the lip plumper. Alright guys, so it's 3:45 now, and we're gonna put the lip plumper on again, because I have to do it 2 times. Only a couple more days of this, and then we'll see if my lips have changed at all. Hey guys, it is 2:42 on Tuesday, May 29th. We're gonna put the lip plumper on. We're about 2 days away, because I decided to go the full month since May is 31 days instead of 30, but the title's still gonna be 30, so yeah. Hey Siri. Hey Siri. Useless. Hey Siri. Hey Siri. Useless. Hey Siri. Oh my god. Can you set a timer for 5 minutes?
Setting the timer. Okay, your timer is set for 5 minutes.
Great. Took you long enough. Hey guys, it's 2:48 now on Tuesday, May 29th. Okay, we're gonna put it on again. Hey Siri. Hey Siri. Why isn't this working? Hey Siri. Hey Siri. Set a timer for 5 minutes.
Your timer is set for 5 minutes.
Siri, you're useless. Hey guys, it is 3:10 on Wednesday, May 30th, and we are going to put on the lip plumper for the second to last time. Because I've mentioned in this video, I'm gonna go until 31 because that's the end of the month. We are almost done, everybody. Even though for you guys, it's not gonna be 30 days. So it's 3:16 now. We're gonna put it on for time number 2 and then we are done for the day. It's been a really cold day today. So my mood just like... Hey guys, it is 2:15 on Thursday, May 31st, and that brings us to the very end of this video. I'm going to apply the lip plumper for the first time today, second to last time applying it for this video. So it is now 2:31 on Thursday, May 31st, and we are going to apply the lip plumper for the last time of this video. And with that done, that's my video for today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know if you did in the comments and give this video a thumbs up if you would like me to try more lip plumping products. And also subscribe and click the bell so you can actually be notified when I post new videos. I post new videos all the time. If you want to see more of me, go check out the vlog channel. It's linked in the description as well as all the rest of my social media. And in conclusion, I don't think that this worked. I don't think my lips look any bigger. I do like the fact that it tingles a little bit. It doesn't hurt anymore. Maybe that's just because my lips are a little bit more used to it, but my lips look definitely pinker, more pink. I do like that, and I like the clear gloss. I think it makes, like, the clear gloss alone just makes your lips look more plump, but I don't think the physical product is making it more plump or anything. So I'm gonna give this a thumbs down. I don't think it worked. Let me know in the comments if you guys have watched the entire video, and if you think that my lips are bigger, let me know in the comments. I would love to know what you guys think. I think it's not bigger. Like, my top lip is still same size. If I notice any change in my lips while I'm editing, because I haven't edited this video at all, I will put that update here or here, wherever I decide. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you all so much, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!